What? How's that for a daily 100 today? I'm just playing with y'all. What's going on, guys? Motonosity here. Welcome back to the vlog. I have not ridden in a while now, and I'm going to tell you why. My elbow has a hole in it. Okay, it doesn't have a hole in it right now. My elbow had a hole in it. I needed stitches a couple weeks ago. I injured myself. I'm not proud of how I injured myself. Fortunately, this one was not while wrapping Christmas presents, so we can, you know, mark that one off the list. We took care of that one last year. No, this one was I slipped at a splash pad and tore my elbow open and needed stitches, so that's fun. We have this splash pad area in our neighborhood where they have like a lot of different like fountains and things for kids to play in, and I was there with my family and I was carrying my daughter, and they have these like bucket things that fill up, and it's not like the huge giant ones that you see at like theme park water parks where it fills up like 10,000 gallons. No, these are like maybe three gallons of water, if that, and it fills up and then it dumps down and woohoo, you got all wet. Well, my daughter wanted to catch one, and we were on the other side of the splash pad, and I was holding her and I was like, okay, we're gonna catch it. So I like casually run over, but not fast, and I had a little bit more confidence in the ground than I probably should have, because it was textured. It was textured concrete. It wasn't straight up flat. I was like, I got this. I run over it, and as I'm like stopping myself underneath the bucket as it's like about to drop, my feet just go whoop. I'm holding my daughter and it's like goes into slow motion. I'm like, I gotta make sure that she doesn't go down and definitely not go down underneath me. So I like try to like rotate her on top of me, but I got her in my left arm, so I can't stick my arms out to like brace my fall. I fall and my left elbow takes the brunt of the hit. Make a little stop here for some gas. Now, today's video is sponsored by The Ridge, makers of really industrial looking wallets. I'm sure you've heard of The Ridge. If you've been on YouTube for any amount of time, I gotta say, I'm a fan. And they actually got 30 different colors and types that you can get. They got aluminum, they got titanium, and they got carbon. This one is the forged carbon. Really easy to pop out your cards. They got this little finger insert. Just pop, fan out, figure out which card you want, pop it back in. Really, really nice. Hard outside RFID blocking. Makes a really good front wallet, which is nice on the bike because I don't like putting my wallet in my back pocket. You can get yours at ridge.com/motonosity. Link is down in the description. And you can try it for 45 days. Full refund if you don't like it. Just send it back. No questions asked. Not bad if you ask me. Back to the story, I landed on my elbow and then slid a couple feet, and it basically just shredded off the skin of my elbow down to the bone. It was really weird. Like, I've never seen a wound like that. It was basically like a circle of nothing on my elbow. I needed some stitches and I just took them out yesterday or a couple days ago. It's okay now. But I just wanted to get out here. It's been so hot. Like today, we got a hurricane coming through and it's pushing all this moisture up here, but it's still hot. So it's only like 90 degrees right now, but the humidity makes the heat index over 100. So it's not fun. With the hurricane coming through, it's just gonna keep putting that moisture up here. It's supposed to get hotter. What are you doing, dude? Are you pulling off the road? Are you turning? Can I pass you? Okay, you're pulling over. All right, appreciate you. Oh, you're looking for a turn in. That's a wide trailer. I love the sound of this freaking engine. Thought I'd bring you guys along for a good ride today, because I just had to get out here before it gets bad. So we're gonna go have some fun. By the way, I hope you guys are enjoying all the mods that I've been doing to this R1. If you want to see the build playlist, I'll put that down in the description so you can see everything that we did. Some of the things that we did in the last one. Mirror block offs, this really nice windscreen. By the way, this is the first time I've ridden with it, I think, and it feels, oh, I love it. Perfect wind deflection. And this gas cap. But yeah, I've been really enjoying the mods that I've been doing to the bike. One of the big ones I still got left though, obviously exhaust. But other than the exhaust, which I promise it's on its way, but one of the things we got left is the Louis Moto seat cover. You know I always got to rep my Louis Moto. They've been a partner on the channel for a long time. I love those guys. They make super awesome products. Put their seat covers on all my bikes, and I've been doing their gel cover on the recent ones because, oh, it just makes the seat so comfortable. Changes the look of the bike so much. Really makes it look a lot more premium. But I want y'all's help because I like to do a little bit different of a design with each bike, and I want some of y'all's input. So go ahead and check out the Louis Moto link down in the description if you want it for your bike, but also to help me out. Check out their website and browse through all the different seat covers, not just for this bike but other bikes as well. Let's kind of get some ideas going on, you know, embroidery patterns, materials, and things like that, and shape. I want y'all's input on this one. But yeah, check out that Louis Moto link down in the description, and let's figure something out. I'm gonna keep riding and just let you guys ride along with me. That was good. I needed that. But I hope you guys are having a good week. I hope you all are staying safe, especially everyone in Texas, Louisiana, and along the Gulf Coast. We got a strong storm coming, and I hope none of you guys are in its path. I know these things can get out of hand real quick. This video will probably go up after it makes landfall, so we'll see just how it turned out. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If there's anything you guys want to see, any of my bikes that you guys want me to ride in the upcoming videos, make sure you leave a comment. If you want to get any of my merch, you can get it at motonosity.com/shop. I'll leave you guys with one last daily 100. There we go. You guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life started with horsepower. Keep life lived, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.